How to fix usbxhci.sys BSOD error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Right-click command prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. SFC scans for and repairs corrupted or missing Windows system files, while DISM fixes Windows image problems. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, keeping your system up to date ensures that all system files, including drivers, are updated to their latest versions, which can fix known bugs and compatibility issues. If optional updates are available, install them as well. Restart your device when done. If that didn't work, reinstalling USB and other related drivers can help fix usbxhci.sys BSODs by removing any corrupted drivers and replacing them with fresh installations. Click on Action and then click on Scan for hardware changes. If that didn't work, if other fixes fail, resetting Windows can refresh the system without removing your personal files, although it will remove installed apps and settings. This can resolve underlying issues causing usbxhci.sys related BSODs by starting fresh with the operating system. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.